Alright guys, we don't come again. This one is for Rivers State, but we are going to take a couple of videos together. So we are going to take you back to history and now. You know, so how are they today, my people? It's still about Wike versus Fubara versus Tinubu versus Nigeria Judiciary. Right? So this particular matter, when I look my book, it concerns Tinubu, Wike, Kenneth Okonkwo, Fubara, and Judiciary. Then the lonely pathway of Fubara, where they put together. You understand? Some of this video might be new or old, but just watch it. Like I said, history and now. Let's put them together. My people, listen to this.
Which law has given Tinubu the right to appoint a friend of his, or a stooge of his, or a loyalist of his, and overthrow the elected representative of Rivers people and use such people to govern Rivers State? So what happened in Rivers State is a coup, and Nigerians must rise against this. The president of South Korea, like I said, was removed and is facing trial for declaring a martial law upon the country. So Tinubu ought to be removed and ought to be facing trial for treason. This is the treason we're talking about, not arresting children who do not know anything about removing a government and saying you want to try them for treason. This is the actual treason, and this is what should happen. Elected people should be very careful what they do, because power is not forever. One day they will account for all the things they are doing. So what happened in Rivers State is a coup, and should be regarded as that. It's not a declaration of state of emergency. It's a declaration of martial law, whereby you remove elected representatives by force of arms, and then you install a leader, which is a sole administrator outside the democratic norms.
All right, this was when Wike selectively selected Fubara to become the next governor of Rivers State, when everything is sweet, they jolly, you know, normally godfatherism. Now know how they work. Make una watch this one. How many of you remember this video? When Wike talk say, when the law speak, ethnicity will run. We will win them at the end of the day. It means we will win them at the appropriate time. We're gonna hear what Wike want to talk for here. Will they take on a park history?
When the law speaks, ethnicity will run. The law has not spoken.
Have you foreclosed any amicable resolution of this?
Did I tell you I had any problem? All I'm saying, this is a structure that brought you. Be fair to them. Be fair to the structure that brought you. Don't you see? Even those who were opposed to you, you are insulting those. You know, look, nobody says you're a governor. But all you must understand is that people had sleepless nights. You don't just throw them away like that. It is too early. I've never seen this happen anywhere. First of all, you have portrayed to yourself, you have told Nigerians, this is who I am. Some people even pretend that about 1 year, 2 years, they don't understand me, and show their true color. 3 months. There's nothing you can say in this world, though. Let me tell you, there's nothing you can say. Nobody is supporting you there. It's just they are supporting you because they think that they are fighting Wike. It's not that they are happy what you're doing. It's not as if if that is what you're doing, it's a lie. All those who cannot fight me are now coming around you, I will still win them. At the appropriate time, I will win. Mark it today. Mark it today. I don't know. Mark it today. You will see. What? See, that is language I normally tell them. If it didn't day, it didn't day. When the law speaks, ethnicity will run.
When the law speaks, ethnicity will run. Anyway, the other one I want to see now when Wike talks, say the second phase of war we are going after the election. So Wike premeditated everything that is happening today. He planned them. He wait for them. You know, say, you wear me put for seat. Now I want to take food come off from my mouth. No worry, I go deal with you. Make una watch this video. Make una understand about ourselves.
The second phase of the war we are going after the election, we have to recover our party that Buccaneers have hijacked, vampires have hijacked. We must recover it. That is the second phase of the war we are going to. So everybody should be prepared. After the governorship election, we must take back our party. We must take back our party. We will not allow these Buccaneers to continue destroying our party. We are proud of what we have done in River State. We are proud. We say we wanted a Southern president, and we stood by it. And we thank Nigerians. I thank APC governors who came out boldly to say, look, power should shift. Power should shift for the unity of this country, for the betterment of this country. For me, anybody in the South, I find you're a Southerner, that's what I stand. After the South finishes, it goes back to the North. Let it be established that there must always be power shift. And that's the same thing we're doing in the state here. There's nobody at the national level of the party you should listen to. None of them worth listening to. None of them. Not one. You came to steal, and he has stolen enough. That's why he can go now. He's building a university with our resources. So now he has stolen enough. Okay, let him go. Let us build back our party.
For una to know, say, he get the way Wike today between him and Tinubu, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You know, look the question where Abati asked Tinubu for here. Say, Wike does scatter everywhere. He don't beat people left and right. How come, say, this same Wike, you remove some ministers, but you don't remove Wike? Why? Make una hear what Tinubu want to talk. First thing wey surprise me for what Tinubu want to talk for here, say, I doff my heart for Wike. He's a good man. If una want cry, make una cry now. No, make una listen. Me not be like saying me they talk everything.
We're talking about your ministers. Well, when you did the cabinet reshuffle recently, you dropped 5 ministers. You appointed 7. Now, many Nigerians thought this was too little, too late. Do you agree with that assessment? And you were asking that we should show you the example of one minister. Take Minister Wike of the Federal Capital Territory. He is the most controversial minister in your cabinet. And in recent times, Nigerians have been crying out that he's grabbing land, he's demolishing buildings, he's acting beyond his powers. Are you concerned that Wike could become a political liability for you?
He's a good man. Wike is a performing minister. Nigeria lacks compliance, period. We don't pay our ground rent on time. We don't calendarize things to do. We see compliance as inconveniences. I doff my hat for him. I doff my hat for him. I doff my hat for him. I doff my hat for him.
Not be smart, I doff my heart for him. It shows that Tinubu is loyal to Wike, Wike is loyal to Tinubu. So as far as I'm concerned, Tinubu and Wike, like them be 5 and 6. So it go hard to divide. But meanwhile, Wike loyalists, they don't mock Fubara, not be small. They say Fubara how far now, Fubara how far. I'm gonna listen to this music by myself. Hi, don't be sporty. Fubara Alpha, Fubara Alpha. We're not sabi single. My people, now see the reason why Nigeria go hard before this country go work. You know why? Because a lot of people are loyal to Satanism, and because of this, when you are fighting the same Satanism, these people will fight you back. But what do I know? But now, this last video, this other video I want to put for inside now, let me see when Fubara they work alone. I don't know how they put this one together, but I'm not gonna watch Fubara for you. This one go pain on her, not be small thing. Haba. This one's sad, cha. Very, very sad. But I don't know where they do this video, but they put them together. It looks like Fubara is now lonely, walking away from the government house alone and all that. Obviously, not be now they do this video. They just go put them together to feel safe. Fubara currently is now alone and all that, and rather lonely. That's so life be. And so when you embrace Satanism, Satanism will embrace you. Let's listen to the other video concerning our judiciary. Let's take this.
I'm glad my mother is alive to see what the judiciary has become. Growing up, my mother wanted me to be a lawyer. Being a lawyer was so respectable. If a young person gained admission to study law in school, it was celebrated big time. But look at the judiciary now. See where they have kept Nigeria. They're not even judiciary anymore. Now they are judiciary. They started by messing up 2023. This is where we are. Every state, just listen to the news. Judiciary says this, they say that. Are they confused? Are they mixing up the law journals? Or is it that years from today, some families will be so disrespected because of certain verdicts that their fathers and mothers have given in the name of practicing cash out kind of judgment? It's crazy. It's crazy because that's not the only thing that is wrong. Last administration, that's what happened. All the rodents, reptiles, termites, snakes, they were all swallowing money. Animals learned to steal. They stole so much that fire had to help them close snake stealing. We survived that. This time, it is borrowing. We have borrowed so much that the only thing you see on the news now is jet seized, house seized. We, giants of Africa, people who use how many billion to renovate a house that is existing that nothing is wrong with. Are you people for real? A country where our Senate president sat down and was reading figures, read it in billion, it didn't work, read it in trillion, it didn't work. The man looked at the numbers and then he said, this one passed me. Even I agreed, tire has tired my tire. My tire, he have tired. Who caused us? Now who caused Nigerians? Every time you say to people, decent Nigerians, get involved in politics, they say, I'm not a politician. No. But these politicians will sit down and reach decisions, churn out policies that are detrimental to development. Then you will turn to armchair judge and sit down in your sitting room or in a bar parlor and complain. Who says that's how things get changed? When will you, Nigerians, add value to the life of a Nigerian? You drive on the streets. You will see an accident victim. You are scared to take the accident victim to the hospital. Why? Because you get to the hospital, rather than them attend to the person immediately, they will be asking for police report. We will. Seriously, we will. Just sit down. We're living the lives of Nigerians, our politics and policies in the hands of people who have no idea whatsoever. We're the only country, perhaps, where all you need is to attempt WAEC, not pass WAEC, attempt WAEC. Then you can be a leader. God, what will we do you? You give us good land, you give us water, you give us everything, you give us good population. When you reach to help us choose leaders, you just sit down for heaven, carve coconut, plug and put for one neck, saying a leader. Pity us. Change this. We don't tire. People like me, we don't tire. You know, they walk. Nothing is working. See dollar and naira. I bet who we offend. We leave this country, leave Nigeria, go anywhere else, we excel. We are amazing, we are outstanding. Very talented Nigerians, that's who we are. But all that pride, and for outside we get them. Inside house, if you not follow for the big club, 1B, the only country where renovation billion, buying billion, borrowing billion, but where it enters, we don't have an idea. Now, so one day we go sit down, we go here say for government as the chop akara now 1 billion for one akara. Now that time go clear for our eye. Get involved. I don't want to talk Amalati side they play. Get involved. All of you who are successful at the things you do, get involved. Get involved. Get involved. Politics and leadership. Too important to leave in the hands of people who do not love and respect the country and her citizens. Now my own I talk.
Okay, when I don't see everything with my voice over and all, when I don't hear them, My people, what's your own take with the situation of Rivers State, the situation of Nigeria, the state of Rivers State, the state of Nigeria? What is your own take? I want to hear from you. Put it on the comment section and let me read your comments. Join us every day. This is NAIJA Watch Media, 7 p.m. on Nigerian time. Join us. Let's interact together. Every day, now with the day life. Might use Pidgin Talker. Every day with the day life, 7 p.m. Every single day. 365 days in a year. Let's talk about the things that's affecting us. We need more Nigerians to engage in this kind of engagement so that we can speak truth to power to our government. You never know, you know, when I touch their heart somehow someday, and they will do the right thing. Because we'll be calling God, God, God. But let's put in the work, the energy to see how this government can at least prioritize us. Take care and bye for now.